In 2021 general election in Uganda, Acholi sub-region were able to show a high-tide competition in the election. Just like any other part of the country, there were serious public concern and public interest in the general election like never before. Ojemo is a two word that comes from Acholi language. Lucan means the poor and Ojemo means demonstrated. So the poor has demonstrated. That's the literal meaning. The Lucan Ojemo are a non-led political movement that has strived for social justice and activism in Acholi sub-region or other parts of northern Uganda. Through music, through street demonstration, and through serious political campaign. Personally, at first I hated Ojemo, but I came to realize how true they were. The Ojemo acts strictly against injustice from local government in Uganda. The people who are oligarchs in northern Uganda local government have tight connection with the central government or head of state to an extent that they don't care to deliver services rightly. You might have seen news of recent people being put behind bars due to the Paris Development Model Fund and many others. Among those injustices include corruption, nepotism, and even unfairness in the offices. There are districts in northern Uganda that if you enter into their office to seek for the service, first of all, only how they talk to you, just like you're not human being like your offices. So basically, the Ojemo were there to fight the unfair contract awards, the unfair recruitment, the unfair fiscal policies like taxation, or even allocation and directing NGOs to different sub-counties. And if you wonder where Ojemo were right, they were right. Because they were not a rebel group, they were just a political activism group who strictly targeted the local government. Thank you.